Hello friends. Today's tech news is very interesting. Today's topic is building the world's largest bug bounty platform. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel. Over the years, finding bugs in popular software, apps and online services has become quite the lucrative venture for enterprising hackers. In fact, some of these hackers and security researchers have even become millionaires thanks to bug bounty programs. In addition to getting paid for discovering vulnerabilities, their work helps some of the world's largest companies improve the security of their products to better protect their users. The bug bounty platform HackerOne helps connect these companies to ethical hackers all around the world. To learn more about how the company got started and the various bugs that have been discovered by its community over the years. Of the top 10 most impactful and rewarded vulnerability types in HackerOne's new report, which one do you see as the greatest threat to organizations today and why? Cross-site scripting, XSS, vulnerabilities. This is the second year running they've topped our list as they continue to be a major threat to web applications and account for 18% of all reported vulnerabilities. Attackers exploit XSS attacks and gain control of a user's account to steal personal information such as passwords, bank account numbers, credit card details and more. Our customers awarded over $4.2 million in total bounty awards, up 26% on 2019. What impact do you think your platform has had on the way vulnerabilities are identified and reported? At HackerOne, we partner with the global hacker community to ensure organizations are aware of any security issues before these can be exploited by criminals. The incredible creativity, diversity, and persistence that you find within this unique community ensures organizations are far more secure than they'd be on their own, and that the people depending on them are safer.